Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to shoot this video today to get some info and make you guys aware of a new Honda company. Well, it's a rather new company focused on restoring late model Honda vehicles, and they've recently just expanded their selection to the S2000. Now they are a rather new company, so they don't have a ton of products up right now, but they're going to keep growing and growing, and I see them going places right now. So they have a lot of support for the older Civics, CRXs, Del Sols, Integras, and all kinds of stuff from the early 90s, late 80s, mid 90s to the 2000s era Hondas, because they had a lot of interior decals and engine bay decals that were stickers as opposed to like silk screened into the plastic like all the newer cars have it. So if you have an S2000 that has over 50,000 miles probably, odds are you have a peeling OEM sticker on your main fuse box under your hood. Now mine has been peeling, and I put some shipping tape over it for the last year to keep it from peeling up more, but it already is starting to look like crap. I'm a very detail-oriented person with this car, and I want it to shine in every spot and look as good as possible. So this I knew was going to start to look worse and worse over time, and I've seen a lot of S2000s where this is absolutely shot looking and completely gone. So this is pretty critical information too. To know when you pop this cover off, you need to know what you're looking at. So they have recreated the decals and has a little bit higher quality vinyl kind of decal feel to them. They're not just like a flimsy thin paper decal you're going to slap on there. So these are like a really high quality feeling material, and I'm sure they're going to even last longer than the OEM one. This one is specific to the 2002 to 2005 S2000. They must have some slight minor changes to the other ones throughout the years. But I'm going to go ahead and install this now. He gives you a nice card, saying he's got installation instructions available. Check out his eBay store and whatnot. Of course, he sent me the one for the fuse box on the driver's side, and then the passenger side fuse box. Now my driver's side one is in great shape still, so I'm going to hold off on installing that. There's no peeling on that one yet. I don't think that's the one that's more common. I think it's the one over here because it's by the header and it sees a lot more heat than the one on the driver's side. So this is probably the combination of heat and age is what eventually curls this off of the box. So go ahead and get these installed and rock a new product. Make the engine bay look like it came off the showroom floor just that much more now. So check out their page, give them a like on Facebook. Yeah, and if you're interested in this, go on their website and purchase it. All right, so my OEM decal peeled right up with just my fingers. Wasn't hard at all. And here's the difference between the new and the old one. Gonna be a nice upgrade. All right, so all I did was wipe down the surface on the fuse box with some isopropyl alcohol, get any contaminants off. All right, so here's the completed product. Nice and brand new looking on there. Now we can move on to the next project. Thanks for watching this quick video, guys. Definitely check out Resto Tuner page. Give them a like on Facebook, thumbs up on their, they actually got a YouTube as well. They're just starting out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.